made it. Got some nice cars. Look at this Supra though. Jeez. Woo. The thing is clean. Thing is fire. If you guys want to follow my Instagram, it's right there. I love the wheels or the chrome. Yeah, Elvis. You got it.
Nah, this is clean.
This is so clean.
This is cleaner than me after I take a shot.
Yeah. Oh, dog. Everybody outside. Yeah, that thing's slammed.
What's up, man?
The myth, the legend.
Suck my dick.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
The other myth, the legend.
What's up, bro?
How you doing, man?
Doing right yourself?
Good, good.
Yeah.
How long you been here? An hour?
Probably like 30, 40 minutes.
You seen this? This Mazda?
Yeah.
This is the blue one, right?
I
See
love
the other FDs?
Yeah, I saw. There's a black one over there. That's just so clean. Yeah, I like these with the pop-up headlights.
They are pop.
Yeah, I love those. Those are nice.
They're turbo too.
Yeah, it's just clean. Damn. The lineup. The Datsun.
Oh yeah, see that.
Ooh, boosted? Aw. Dude.
Look over there. I still can't believe that.
Damn.
Look at him smiling.
Yo, I think we should take a photo of our cars right here with the flag. Be like we imported to Puerto Rico. Damn, must be fucking nice. Super and red is crazy. Fire. One of my dream cars. Ain't got the parachute. You must be really fast. See how big the turbo is. Bro, that thing is huge. You got Gary the snail in there. You know, we gotta see what we're gonna eat. Buy you some good food. What they got? Drink. Probably get a Pepsi. We got some empanadas. What you get? What you get? What you get? What you get? Talk to me.
I got you. Pinchos. Yeah.
Damn. With barbecue sauce?
Hell yeah, man. And some rice.
Arroz. Can't go wrong with some arroz.
Damn.
Yes, sir. We outside. We're in Perth, boy. Puerto Rican spot. Okay, sir. Precision turbo. Damn, this is what I gotta do to my X3M with the bucket seats. He got a baby strap. Bruh. Oh my god, this is still sick. I can't believe this.
Bye.
Crazy. Yeah.
No, we'll have to move this car. These guys don't move it.
Damn. Damn. And he got a carbon steering wheel.
Jeez, that's nice. That's nice.
Fat ass wheels. What the fuck? This thing is crazy. This is insane. Those gotta be like 405s or something. Those things are wide. You got the tank and the 2 pair of shoes. Just so you know you're fast. He couldn't just settle for 1. He needed 2. That's crazy. The car.
The stickers.
Check it out. Yo, that's crazy. It's insane.
We have to help the BMW guy now.
Alright. You can see the turbo right there. Oh, you got no turbo. Let's get this somewhat cold start. Oh, this door's open. It's not that loud. It definitely needs an exhaust and a downpipe. Like it definitely needs it. What I would say though, it vibrates a lot. Like not in a bad way. You can just feel like the exhaust, like it's, you hear it. That's why I know just with a downpipe and the exhaust, this thing will definitely open it up a lot more. Over right now, I'm about to head over to pick some food, not food up, but I just ordered something at BJ's and I'm just gonna go pick it up right now. I figured I'd just pick up the camera so I could just show you guys a little short POV. And just to let y'all know, this is a stock X3M, so it's fast, but it's not like fast. Obviously, once you get a tune, you could definitely get a good amount of horsepower and torque with the tune, especially because this is a twin turbo inline 6. So I definitely know the potential you could do with these engines. Just right now, I'm just trying to enjoy it. Stock for now. I'm trying to do more of like aesthetics, like carbon trim pieces on the exterior. Yeah, just blackout badges. Get rid of all the chrome basically. And yeah, I mean, it's not too much. Just trying to make it look nice. Maybe lower it after, and then get an exhaust and a catted downpipe, just because I don't want to get catless. I just feel like with the catless it's gonna sound too raspy, in my opinion. I haven't heard these in person, but I've done catless before in previous cars, and I don't know, it's too loud. I wanted a good sound, good deep tone. I don't really want too high pitched rasp, if you guys know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, I mean, the one thing I wish this had is the bigger display, because this is a 10.3 I believe, and then the newer one, like the 2021, comes with the 12.3 screen, so it's a little bit big. It's like 2 inches bigger, so it's taller, it sits taller. And then another thing, I know a lot of people don't like the new digital dash or cluster that they have. I personally like it. I don't know, I've always been like kind of like a tech guy, so when I see screen, I just fall in love. Like, even though this is kind of basically screen, but you got like these rings around it, and I don't know, I prefer the full digital dash. I just think they look a lot cleaner, in my opinion. But yeah, you guys can see it's so much traffic, and like everybody's just driving mad slow. Like, what is this person doing? Driving mad slow in a fast lane. Like, I don't understand people. guys, just make sure you guys like the video. Make sure you guys like. That shit really helps out the algorithm, pushes out the video for more viewers. And you know, I'm gonna be posting a lot more frequently, so that's the reason why I pick up the GoPro. I'm really trying to grind it out. I've been grinding it on TikTok, Instagram, Shorts. So if you guys, same name for all platforms, all social medias. It's Road to Boost, literally ROADTO Boost, BOOST. So follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. If you're watching my videos, or if you stumble upon a short, make sure you guys subscribe and like the videos. And I'm gonna be posting more, guys. I'm gonna be very consistent with this, especially if we got a platform that not a lot of people. I'm gonna be honest with you, the reason why I have a kid now, you know, my family's growing, so I did needed a bigger car. I already had a coupe. For the most part, I had the Z, I had the Mustang. Before that, I had the the sedan, the SI. But I did need something more bigger, more practical. And the thing is that I didn't want to go with a slow SUV. I didn't want a boring SUV, because I'm into cars. So I kind of was like, I need to get something that's gonna be fun. That's why I got the X3M. I try to look videos up on YouTube. The only person I know, they don't even have, like, for example, Fresh Cakes, he has an X3M competition, but he has a 2023, I believe. So that's the LCI version, or the 2022. I don't know which one he has specifically, but I know it's the LCI version. I got the pre-LCI. So, and not a lot of people make videos or content on this car. Maybe people don't know about them. A lot of people, from what I heard, speaking to my brother-in-law, and like he spoke to a couple people too, not a lot of people knew. Even my barber, like, he didn't really know much about these cars. So that's gonna change. We're gonna put this platform on the map. I know the engine wise is already been put on the map with the G80s, but I'm gonna stick up for the F97s. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put, especially for the pre-LCI, because I know not a lot of people have the pre-LCI version. So I'm gonna be the one that's gonna be putting content out, type of content I want to see, because I've been trying to look for videos. I can't find much. Usually they're in Europe, somewhere in Europe and shit. Like, I want somebody relatable here in the States. So we're gonna be dropping some videos. We're gonna be making more content on this car, especially because I don't see it on YouTube. Maybe the platform sucks, maybe nobody wants to watch it. Who cares? I'm gonna still post. I know someone who, just like me, was trying to look for an SUV, X3M, was probably trying to look for a video to kind of have a guideline, and I couldn't find it. So let me start recording, so that way you guys can get an idea. And just go on the app and let them know I'm here. Literally, I just came for a case of Celsius. Celsius, if you're watching this, sponsor me. I have another channel which is completely separate from work. It's like work related. So, and I always buy Celsius. I got over 1,000 subscribers on that channel. So if you guys do want to know that channel, like, I kind of try to keep both separate. But yeah, Celsius, if you're watching this, sponsor me. Anyways, I'm gonna check myself in, so that way they can know that I'm here and they can bring out my case. And you guys can see I got 169 miles left to the tank. I got a little bit over half a tank. So I think when I filled up, I got about, I want to say, like 330 miles to a full tank, which isn't too bad, guys. Isn't too bad. Oh, the guy's coming in. You can see him right there walking with the Celsius case. Yes, sir. Let me go grab this real quick. Yeah, guys, if you guys want to see more content, I got my 350Z as well. I'm also going to be posting that. But if you guys want to see more content on the BMW, make sure you guys like and subscribe, because I'm definitely going to be posting more. And yeah, we just picked up the Celsius in the back. For now, I'm just about to head home. Probably might hit the gym, and that's pretty much it. I don't got too much planned for today. Might try to go to a kart meet later this week, maybe tomorrow or Saturday. We'll see what happens. Before we end the video, I might give y'all a little pull. I'm not gonna lie to you, I just kind of macked the fucking curb. That shit was fucked. I did not see it. I didn't think I was that close, and I ended up kind of like scraping the wheels. I feel like a female right now. Can't even fucking drive, but I might give y'all a little pull right here once this shit turns green. Fuck, man, I kind of heard that shit. Kind of hurt. I kind of wish I had my camera. I would have heard it. I really just fucking scraped my rim onto the curb. Damn, I'm not used to driving an SUV, man. I still gotta learn, like, you know, this is a kind of like a long nose. feels good. I'm not gonna lie, I had it like in the setting 2 for transmission, so it wasn't as snappy, but still moves, not gonna lie. For an SUV, thing moves. I already know with a downpipe tune and exhaust, maybe intakes, damn, I think this thing gonna be moving. We're gonna be making some crazy power. Like, you guys, I can't wait, bro. I can't wait. I cannot wait when we get this thing tuned. It's insane how fast this SUV is, man. It shouldn't be this fast. We got up to like 75 mad quick. That's the LCI version of the X3, you guys can see. It's just a regular X3, so it ain't nothing crazy, but still looks clean though, I'm not gonna lie. Still looks clean. I kinda like those taillights a little more, even though people hate on the Halo taillights, I kinda fuck with it, I ain't gonna lie. I'll be lying to y'all if I say I don't like it. I don't like hopping on with the trend. Like me personally, I like it. I like it. I'm not gonna be like everybody else who disagrees with the majority of people. Like, nope, I like it. Woo, I can hear the turbo and everything. That's crazy. You can hear it on a stock car. You can hear everything on this thing. Like, you can hear mad things. I think when you let off like around 3,000 RPM, you could definitely hear like the turbo spool. That's just nice. I love it. Damn. But yeah, guys. You guys, yo, comment down below what should be the next mod on this. We just got tents, as you guys saw in the previous video. We got tents. Let me know down below what's the next mod we should do. Should we go for performance, aesthetics? Comment down below, and then if it's aesthetics, comment down what we should get for aesthetic mod, or if you guys want performance mod, comment down below what's the performance mod you guys want to see on the X3M. By the way, this is the 2020 X3M, so let me know. Comment down below. Me personally, I'm thinking of going with like an exhaust system, because I think this thing is too quiet if I also go with performance. And if I'm going for aesthetics, I'm just blacking out or getting chrome pieces, I mean not chrome pieces, carbon fiber pieces to replace all the chrome that's on the car, which isn't really much, and probably a front lip and maybe side skirts and diffuser. But yeah, with that being said, guys, I might end off the video right here, man. Thank you guys for watching. To the next one. Peace.